You won't believe what Mercedes just dropped in 2026. The Maybach GLS 800 is not just a luxury SUV, it's basically a palace on wheels. If you've ever dreamed of cruising through the streets of Los Angeles, New York, or Tokyo in absolute comfort, with technology that feels straight out of the future, this is it. And yes, we're talking jaw-dropping performance, insane interior luxury, and features that make other SUVs look like toys. Stick around because I'm going to break down everything you need to know: price, performance, fuel, maintenance, and even how it stacks up against big names like Toyota and Honda. First, let's talk price because, let's be honest, that's the first question most of us have. In the United States, the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 starts at around $230,000. In Japan, you're looking at roughly 36 million yen, and across ASEAN countries, prices hover around $245,000 depending on taxes and import duties. It's a premium investment, but when you consider what you're getting, it starts to make sense. Now, performance. Under the hood, this beast packs a twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine that produces over 650 horsepower. What does that mean in simple terms? It means you can glide through city traffic without feeling sluggish, merge onto highways effortlessly, and still have that quiet, smooth ride that Maybach is famous for. The hybrid tech also helps with fuel efficiency, especially in stop-and-go traffic. In the city, expect around 18 miles per gallon, and on the highway, it jumps to about 22. Not bad for a vehicle this size and power. If you're comparing it to a traditional gas guzzler, the hybrid system can save you a decent amount over time, particularly with rising fuel prices. And speaking of savings, ownership costs are worth discussing. Insurance on a Maybach GLS 800 is higher than your average SUV, obviously, but if you shop smart, coverage for a luxury vehicle can be manageable. Mercedes parts are widely available in the US, Japan, and Southeast Asia, and while repairs aren't cheap, the vehicle's reliability keeps surprise costs down. Regular maintenance like oil changes, brake pads, and hybrid battery checks are straightforward, and the Maybach's resale value holds strong compared to competitors. You're looking at a car that will keep its luxury appeal and performance years down the line, which isn't something you can say for all SUVs in this price range. Inside, the Maybach GLS 800 is a dream. Think buttery soft leather, reclining rear seats with massage functions, and a cabin so quiet it feels like your own private concert hall. Technology? Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system, huge OLED displays, and a sound system that makes every song feel cinematic. Even with traffic jams in LA or Manila, you can stay connected, entertained, and relaxed. Now let's compare it briefly with more mainstream luxury SUVs like the Toyota Land Cruiser or Honda Pilot. Those are solid vehicles, reliable, widely serviced, and cheaper, but they simply don't compete in the ultra-luxury space. You won't find reclining massage seats, advanced hybrid performance, or that kind of prestige in a Land Cruiser or Pilot. If your priority is ultimate comfort, advanced tech, and showing up in style without worrying about performance, Maybach wins hands down. City driving is surprisingly easy for a vehicle of this size. The GLS 800 has adaptive suspension and steering that make maneuvering through traffic or tight parking spots a breeze. Highway driving? It's effortless. Acceleration is smooth, the hybrid kicks in seamlessly, and it feels planted even at higher speeds. This is why the car is perfect for US roads. The suspension handles potholes, traffic merges are safe, and long road trips are more enjoyable than ever. Ownership cost over time is another big consideration. While the sticker price is high, hybrid savings, strong resale value, and Mercedes build quality make the Maybach GLS 800 smarter than it looks on paper. Insurance is an investment in peace of mind, but parts are available globally, so even if you're in Japan or ASEAN countries, servicing won't be a nightmare. It's luxury made practical, in a sense. Let's not forget one of the smartest features for US buyers: technology that actually reduces stress. The GLS 800 comes with advanced driver assist systems, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and traffic jam assist. In heavy traffic, you barely need to touch the pedals. It's literally designed to make daily driving less stressful while keeping you safe. Combine that with hybrid efficiency and a quiet, controlled ride, and you're basically getting a luxury limo experience without hiring a driver. And yes, this car is about presence. Wherever you park, it commands attention. In Tokyo or Singapore, it's the ultimate executive statement. In the US, whether it's a corporate meeting or weekend getaway, it signals both success and sophistication. It's the SUV that's smart, fast, and safe, and it feels tailored for roads where comfort and technology matter just as much as speed. To sum it up, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach GLS 800 is expensive, but it's not just a car, it's an experience. Luxury, performance, hybrid efficiency, strong resale, wide parts availability, and advanced tech all wrapped in a stylish, comfortable SUV. Compared to Toyota or Honda, it's in a completely different league for those who want ultra-luxury without compromise. For US roads, city traffic, or long highways, it's smart, practical, and impressive. If you're serious about a car that blends performance, comfort, and advanced hybrid tech while still being a head-turner, this is your pick. Don't forget, we've broken down the price, fuel economy, maintenance, insurance, and why it beats mainstream competitors for luxury and tech. So here's the deal. If you like this breakdown and want more high-end car reviews that actually tell you what matters, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications. I've got more deep dives, comparisons, and first impressions coming your way that you won't want to miss. Trust me, this channel is your shortcut to understanding the car world, and the 2026 Maybach GLS 800 is just the beginning.